gingerbread houses, and we pick a general theme for everybody to do together. This year we did Dr. Seuss, so everybody picked a different children's book and used it as their theme. We worked on it for about 3 weeks, so we have 3 hours a week, and we did it for 3 weeks. We had Christmas music going. People would come in, I think at 5:30 some people were coming in. We'd stay late, but yeah, everybody just worked together, helped out with each little thing, and it ended up being a final project grade.
We know that there's many residents here that don't have any family come, and being holiday, we want to bring cheer to people's lives. So we said, let's bring them to the nursing home so they can enjoy them. We did this last year, and a lot of the staff had told us how much they enjoyed it. So we're like, well, let's go over and we're going to make this a yearly event.
A lot of our residents that live here actually were a part of Alfred State. They went there. We have mechanics. We have people who were working in the kitchen in Alfred. We've had people that are nurses that are now residents here that went to Alfred. So Alfred's very familiar to our patients here. So it's really cool that we can partner up and be part of our community. We want to reach out, and we want them to reach out to us as well.
Happy holidays!